2025 Honda Civic SI. She's a beauty. And as you guys can see from right there, we took the whole system off because why not? So we started up here. We took off the downpipe after the cat, which you guys can't see, and then replaced it all with an AWE 360 system that's supposed to not drone at all. So it goes over in here and it's under here somewhere. We put all that back. But anyways, it's a 3-inch system, mandrel bent, got a resonator in the middle, 3-inch continues, Y's out over here on this side, out the back, into, there's the AWE 180 technology, not 360. And then it finished it off with some 4-inch tips, stainless steel out the back. There it is, AWE system. So what's special about this AWE system is it's a noise canceling, drone canceling technology without losing sound. That's what the 180 means. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And here's the part number on the system with the big box. Nope. Where's the part number? It's on this side. Here's the part number 3015-32331 since 1991. There it is. And there's the old system that was on it. Look at the weird design for them to cut out drones. So they did the 360 equal length on each side for the tips. A lot of engineering and technology goes into it. And it's a very light system, this SI. Doesn't even weigh maybe 30 pounds probably. So I can carry it very easily. And there's that downpipe I was telling you guys that we replaced. Which was weird. They took the flex pipe completely out on the AWE system. All right, stay tuned.
All right, guys, 2025 Honda Civic SI with a AWE catback system on it. Go ahead. Decibels 79. Sound decibels. Again. 96.3 is where it peaked. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
2025 Honda Civic SI. Check it out. I love the rubber duck Corona. That's awesome. Anyways, stick shift, 6-speed. This is what it sounds like on the inside with AWE 180 system. Let me know what you guys think. And what do you think of this setup with the stick shift? It's so small. It's cool. I like it.
2025 Honda Civic SI AWE catback system.
Honda Civic SI. AWE 180 system. Cap back. There's his old system in the back of the truck. Yeah, it's crazy. Sounds good. Enjoy, guys.